Hi, I'm Selena, and in today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make tasty chicken bites. Welcome to Healthy Butt Grub. On my channel I'm going to be showing you how to make healthy, nutritious food for your baby from when they first start solids right through to family meals. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can keep up to date with what I'm posting on a weekly basis, and also to help support my channel. What I love about these chicken bites is how quick and easy they are. Once you've got your mixture done, you're just putting it in the muffin tray and then into the oven. You don't have to stand over the stove and wait for them to cook. Just pop them in the oven, keep going about your day, and after about 20 minutes, they're done. These chicken bites are a great little finger food, and they are so versatile that you can use them as finger food for a party, or you could shape them into patties to make chicken burgers for the whole family. They are so versatile and they are delicious. Okay, let's get started. For this recipe, you will need chicken mince, breadcrumbs, spinach, 1 egg, a clove of garlic, 2 sprigs of thyme, a zucchini, and about a handful of parsley. The main utensil you'll need for this recipe is a mini muffin tray. As always, if you are concerned about allergies, please consult the advice of an appropriate healthcare professional. So let's start by preheating the oven to about 200 degrees Celsius. I've got about 2 cups of baby spinach leaves, and you just want to put them in a bowl and pour boiling water over and let them sit until wilted. Next, you want to grease your muffin tray. I'm just using an olive oil spray to do that because it's nice and easy. With the egg, just put it into a small bowl and lightly whisk with a fork. Once the spinach is wilted, put it through a strainer and push out any excess liquid, and then you can place that back in the bowl. Next, we're going to grate the zucchini. If you've got a large zucchini, maybe only use about 1/2 to 3/4, otherwise a full small zucchini. Then you want to gather your parsley leaves along with the thyme and finely chop. Peel and crush your garlic. To peel your garlic, a handy hint is to chop the ends off and then squash it down with the blunt edge of the knife. Next, finely chop your drained spinach. Now place the chicken mince in a large bowl along with the whisked egg, 1 cup of fresh breadcrumbs, and the remaining ingredients. I find it easiest to mix with my hands, so get your hands in there and give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Next, we're going to scoop the mixture into the muffin tray. I'm using a tablespoon to scoop out the portions so that they're all the same size. Place them into the oven for about 20 minutes, and after that they should be golden brown and cooked through. To make sure that they're cooked through, I usually just take one out and cut it in half just to make sure that the chicken is cooked. So as you can see, these chicken balls are super quick and easy to make. To store these chicken bites, I placed them in a Ziploc bag. They'll keep in the fridge for up to 2 days, otherwise you can keep them in the freezer for up to 2 months. When reheating, you can do this in the microwave or the oven. Just make sure that they are heated through completely because you don't want to be serving cold chicken. I hope you've enjoyed today's episode. Please let me know in the comments, and I hope that it's inspired you to make these delicious little tasty chicken bites for your family. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again.